The evolution of capital. Capital has always evolved with civilization. In the agrarian age, wealth was measured in land. In the industrial age, it was machinery. In the digital age, it became data. The next era will measure wealth in relationships, in the strength of trust between people, companies, and governments. Empathy is the medium through which that trust flows. It reduces transaction costs, fosters cooperation, and drives innovation. Investing in empathy means designing institutions that reward understanding as much as efficiency. In the early 2000s, a quiet financial revolution began. A handful of investors asked, can we make money and meaning at the same time? From the question emerged impact investing, capital deployed to generate both financial return and measurable social or environmental benefit. What began as a niche movement in a now a trillion-dollar industry is now a trillion-dollar industry. Pension funds, endowments, sovereign wealth vehicles are integrating ESG, environmental, social, and governance standards into their portfolios. But metrics alone are not enough. Impact investing must move from compliance to conviction, from box ticking to belief. A true impact investor does not see social value as risk mitigation, but as the very purpose of risk taking. Traditional investors analyze spreadsheets, compassionate investors analyze stories. They visit the factory floor, the clinic, the classroom. They listen to the communities they aim to serve. Empathy becomes a form of due diligence. It reveals risks hidden in numbers, ethical lapses, cultural mismatches, unsustainable assumptions. It also reveals opportunities invisible to algorithms. The resilience of a local entrepreneur, the creativity of a marginalized neighborhood, the trust capital of a cooperative. An investor guided by empathy does not ask, how can I extract value? They ask, how can I expand it? Investing in empathy also means rewiring the flow of capital itself. Finance must reach the people and places traditional markets overlook, rural areas, minority founders, women-led startups, immigrant innovators. Community development finance institutions lend where big banks will not. Crowdfunding platforms democratize investments. Municipal social bonds finance affordable housing and health clinics. Public banks reinvest local deposits into local prosperity. Each is an empathy engine, translating compassion into capital and capital into community wealth.